Hi everyone, Rhonda here with Best Buy Metals. Our product of the month for May is our colored pipe boots, now 15% off. If you're working on a metal roofing project, you know one of the most important details is getting a solid, watertight seal around any pipe penetration. That's exactly where these come in. Our colored pipe boots are designed for durability and easy installation. They feature a flexible EPDM rubber collar that slides right over the pipe, along with a bendable aluminum flange that easily conforms to the ribs of the metal panels. That means a tight fit and a reliable seal you can count on. They are built to handle temperatures up to 212 degrees and fit pipe sizes from 1/4 inch to 5 3/4 inches, making them a versatile option for a wide range of applications. And let's be honest, if you're installing a clean-looking metal roof, a standard black pipe boot can just stick out. These are available in 8 different colors, so you can match your roof and keep everything looking sharp. But if you are looking for a dependable seal that also looks good, now is a great time to stock up. Take advantage of 15% off and colored boots all month long. Stop by our local Best Buy Metals or visit us online at bestbuymetals.com.